Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to log out from Facebook Messenger on Android. So if you want to log out your Messenger on Android, this is the best method that you can do. First, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Messenger application. Now, all you have to do here is you can just long press your Messenger and then you have to click this app info. This is the first method. And what you're going to do here is you have to click this storage, and after that, you have to click this clear cache and also clear data. After you clear data here, erasing files on Messenger, you can now uninstall Messenger. You can now open your Facebook application. And then what you're going to do next is you have to click this three lines or this person icon. Tap the secure icon or settings and then click the see more in account center. Now you have to tap this password and security, and then you have to click this where you are logged in. Tap your Facebook account again, and then go to logins on other device. Scroll down, and then click log out, or you can do it one by one if you want. But for me, if you want to log out, if you want to simply, log out from Facebook Messenger on Android, so you have to go to log out on devices. And then after you have logged out to your devices, then you can go back and then log out your account here. Another thing, you can also change your password so that if someone wants to use this device, I mean, if you have logged out to this Android and someone wants to get access to your Facebook account, and then of course, they cannot log in because you have changed your password already. So I do really hope that this video helped you. If it does, then please do like and subscribe. And if you want to create or if you want us to do some tutorials, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.